In this section, we'll discuss the new production planning system that is in Flex Manufacturing 1.7.1. To start with, you need to define a forward time fence that you're basically going to plan for. So in this area, we will select a year at the beginning of the next month, and then we'll save that. It'll give us a production plan number. Next, we'll add an item that we want to plan, and this will be the item that will be used as a historical basis and to create production plans for in the forward periods. You can select where you'd like the data from. It can either come from, most often, manufacturing or sales. In this case, we'll pick manufacturing because it's a manufactured item, not a sold item. And then we'll select our method, and once we've selected our method, we can go forward and calculate our plan. This forward strip is calculated by means of a linear regression algorithm. This algorithm looks at the past history and tries to extrapolate a forward curve that best represents the trends that are happening for the manufacture of this item. Once our forward production curve has been calculated, we can, when we choose, release work orders for the periods that calculations were generated for. To do this, I'll go to the periods to generate field, and I'll select how many periods I would like to generate work orders for. Notice that only two fields are yellow now. This is indicating that when I select generate work orders, it's only going to generate work orders for those periods. I'll now go ahead and do just that. I'll generate work orders, and let's watch what happens. Notice how the fields for the two periods that I wanted to generate work orders has now changed to green. This indicates to me that work orders have been generated. In this way, I can know that there's a difference between periods that I'm about to generate for and periods that I have generated for. I'm actually using this method as my master production schedule. I'm releasing work orders against my plan when I feel the need. Let's take a look at work orders and see what was actually generated. If we pop out to our work order list, we can see that yes, indeed, we do have two work orders here at the top of the list.